So hi guys, so today papakita ko lang yung ginawa kong Instagram team page. I will show you it to you on ano yung naging progress nito, kailan ako nag-start, ano na yung nangyari ngayon. And actually this is the Instagram team page that I made last month ago, I think. Wait, I will check it. Okay, let's see. Yes, I made it around February 2024, and my first post here is here on February 29, which is the day today, or May 7, and it's almost will be 2 months, 1.5 months. And this is this is my progress, and I admit namin ko na meron na mga weeks na hindi ako nakapag-post, and hindi ako naging consistent sa account na to. And this is some decent result, 43 followers, 180 followers. And I think I might try something new here, and I will do some research on how to fix the algorithm and how to make a viral video. And at least ayun naman yung pinakagoal ko dito sa Instagram team page nito, na talagang mapag-aralan din yung how algorithm works on Instagram. And that's why I'm making a trial and error, and I'm researching and what would work and what would not. And but my very thing here is, I think I really need to be consistent. And since my last post 6 days ago, I think that's fine, but I think it's really need to be consistent. And ayun lang. And ayun lang yung talagang okay. Kung may tanong kayo, just comment down below. And thank you.